Hi, and welcome to my channel. We normally work it's out here at Southwest Graphic Arts from November to November. We take December and January off for the holidays, for family, for friends, and to try to get ourselves organized and set up for the start of the new year. So, that being said, what I like to do is I like to take and show what we've done this year and show the fruit of our works. Let people know that we are actually real practicing music photographers and we do what we say, and give you an idea or some kind of an example of what we actually produce. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 99 photos of some of the work we've done over the year. This covers almost everybody in which we've shot, all the different acts, the groups, um, with the exception of two, because we would normally have these two there, but due to obligations between us and them, we've decided not to show them as they've requested, and that would be Lee Brice and Grace Tyler. Um, so we will not show them. I may throw a slide up that says here they are, and just show Lee and Grace. But we're going to show you 99 photos of what we actually did over the year and who all we've actually seen. If you're in the Dallas Fort Worth area, drop us a line, give us a call, let us know you're here. We'd love to hear from you. Also, if you have any confusions, concerns, comments, anything like that, please go ahead and drop us a note. We in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. We'd also love it if you'd like, subscribe, helps us out. If you have anything or subjects that you'd like us to do videos on, let us know about those too. We'd love to hear that kind of information. Thank you. keep on the lookout because during the month of November, December, and January, we'll still be putting out videos on YouTube about concert photography and some of the ins and outs of doing that. So please keep an eye out.